Welcome back to another Science Shorts. This one is a definition. It's just really understanding what this word is because it comes up frequently on the test and the ACT just expects you to know what it is. The term is viscosity. Viscosity. It is the measure of a fluid's resistance to flow. To help you understand it a little bit better, sometimes it just helps to get some words and some things that can tell you something. Honey and syrup would have a very high viscosity. Now, they can even get higher if you put them in a refrigerator and they get colder. As they get colder, they become more viscous. If sometimes you want to put honey or syrup on something, it's quite common to take it out of the refrigerator and put it in the microwave for 15 or 20 seconds and warm it up so that once it becomes warm, it pours much easier. That means its viscosity has gotten lower. Then you have your oils, like oils in a car, oils that you might rub on your skin, or something like this. You have oils. Then water. Water, by definition, is a 1 on its viscosity. Alcohols, a lot of your alcohols are even lower than water, and they are less than 1. So I hope this helps you understand viscosity and what it means just from a working standpoint, because I have got several ACT passages that just expect you to know when they use the word viscosity what it means.